Kuchah. He hasn't been here this morning. He's been really busy with the associates.
Thank you very much. Our poster is about Teacher Association research with the Cameroon English Language Teachers Association. It's an association that's been around since 2001, and within this period we've organized a series of, I think, 12 national conferences and hundreds of regional workshops and conferences across the country. But within these 12 years as well, we had 16 expert speakers from outside Cameroon, mainly from the US and the UK, and 4 local experts coming to talk during our conferences. Despite this, teachers continued to complain that they had all these fantastic ideas at the conferences. Once they went back to the classroom, the realities hit them again. Large classes, 150 children in primary school classrooms, 250 and more in secondary school classrooms. So there was a need for something more relevant to the teachers, something that reflected the realities of their classroom. And so Camelta decided in 2009 to create a vice presidency in charge of research and projects. And that vice presidency offered a number of funding opportunities for teachers to do action research. Unfortunately, all of that failed because teachers were not trained to do teacher research, action research, but also because the challenges of their day-to-day work and the pressures of work in this kind of context were overpowering. So we decided last year that what we needed was something that would help teachers bridge this, overcome these challenges by reflecting on their own experiences and sharing those on a wider, with a wider membership in ways that were not as systematic as action research or any other form of structured research would be, because the teachers were not well equipped to achieve that. And that's when we got in touch with Research Seek, and we're lucky to have funding from TESOL to invite speakers to Cameroon, and we brought Richard to Cameroon, and that's when the whole idea of the Teacher Association research was formed. Richard, can I get through?
Yeah, sure. I think 1 minute. Yeah, so I was very lucky to be invited to Cameroon, and my theme was teaching difficult circumstances, and the workshop was sharing teachers' successes, teachers' own successes in those circumstances. And I was thinking, I thought to talk about teacher research. That's what they wanted me to do. Really, it seemed to me, for many reasons we can talk about, that asking individual teachers to do teacher research wasn't appropriate. Just the idea came, why not ask people in the plenary to write down research questions that you think would be important to answer in your circumstances? And there are different reasons for that, to do with, as a group, maybe coming up with plans for change based on research that could bring about change in that context of large classes. So they wrote down a lot of research questions, and we, in 3 sentences, we discussed with Camelta the idea that some of these teachers' research questions could then be sent out to the chapters for answers, and we came up with 3 questions. What are your recent successes? What are your problems? What are some solutions? And we've got about 500 pieces of reflective writing back. Research SIG, together with Camelta, are collaborating from now and analysing it. And we're excited about this idea of it being teacher association research. Not individuals, maybe in future individuals, but solidarity of people.